Dangal greetings. We are Team Sisidan and I would like you to meet our team. This is
James Mark P. Puata. I'm Paulo Romero.
I'm Lordan Maranya.
And I'm Kian Bagason.
And I'm Joshua Uson.
And I'm Kim Iber El Sokayan.
And today we will be presenting our Sisidan pool reservation system. And for our overview, here is Mr. Sokayan.
Magandang araw, ako si Kim Iber El Sokayan. Tatahakin natin ngayon ang overview ng Sisidan Reservation System. Sisidan Reservation System ay isang pool reservation system na naglalayo mapadali ang pag-apply ng reservation ng mga user sa mga private resorts. Ang system ay user-friendly na may mga function na mag-reserve, cancellation at notification. Nag-provide din ng system ng overview ng pool, resort at maaaring mabook.
Hey everyone, today I will present the objectives of our project, the Sisidan Pool Reservation. So first objective is to create initiative user interface that enables customer to easily view available pools and book reservation with minimal effort. So in a simple word, gusto namin mag-provide ng user-friendly interface para sa mga customer na dapat madaling makita kung aling pools ang available at mabilis nilang mabook ang reservation nila nang walang hassle or difficulties. So, on our second objectives is to provide real-time notifications and update for both users and admins and enhancing user experience by ensuring timely information on booking and cancellation. And isa sa goal ng Sisidan Pool Reservation ay magbigay ng real-time notification para sa users and sa admin. Like for example po, kapag may book confirmation o cancellation, mabilis nilang malalaman, mas maayos ang communication at experience ng users at na management po. So, on our last objectives is to provide to enable administrative control for pool management, allowing admins to efficiently manage bookings, cancellations, and pool availability via CRUD or the create, read, update, and delete functionalities. So, ang huling objectives po namin is makapagbigay ng administrative control sa mga admins. Dito po mapapadali nilang mamanage ang bookings, cancellation at pool availability gamit po yung CRUD. Tulad po ng create, read, update, and also delete po. So, in summary, our objectives is to focus on improving the user experience, streamlining the process, and ensuring effective communication for both users and admins. Next slide, please. So, our goal is ipakita yung usability at functionality ng Sisidan platform. So, we need po na ma-provide is madaling gamitin at i-navigate ang system and responsive ito sa iba't ibang devices. At nagagawa niya po yung mga functionality and need ng pool customers and administrators po. So, in demonstration naman po, gusto namin maipakita na ang Sisidan po ay hindi lang para sa magandang user experience sa pag-manage ng pool reservations, kundi para rin sa pagpapadali ng operation para sa administrators po. In short, Sisidan aims to deliver an efficient and user-friendly system para sa lahat na gumagamit nito. So, next slide please. For tools and frameworks, ang primary tool na ginamit namin ay Figma po para sa designing at prototyping ng platform. Dahil sa interactive mock-up features po nito, nagagawa namin mag-design visually appealing at functionality interface. And bukod po dito, ang real-time collaboration capabilities ng Figma ay nakakatulong po sa amin para sa mas mabilis na team feedback at design iterations. For frameworks naman po, ginamit din namin ang usability testing frameworks tulad ng survey po and task-based evaluations. And So this one po is nakatulong para makakuha ng actionable user insights. Dahil dito, mas na-address po namin yung mga pain points ng users na mapa-improve po yung ang reservation experience at ma-meet ang expectation ng parehong pool owners at ng customers po. So, in short po, ang combination ng tools at frameworks po nito ang naging way po namin para maging efficient at user-center ang Sisidan. Thank you.
So next, we have the literature review. And in this section, we explored related studies focusing on reservation systems, particularly for pool websites. We gained insights kung ano yung functionalities na commonly seen on the reservation system. For the design process, we created a questionnaire para malaman ang magiging content ng website. Ano ang ina-expect ng user in terms of the content at yung mga color combinations na appealing at related sa website na gagawin namin. And for the user testing, we also use Google Forms para makapag-conduct ng usability testing, gather feedbacks para malaman namin kung ano yung need namin ma-improve. And that was my part on the literature review. Now we will proceed for Mr. Puada for the prototype presentation. That's all.
Hello, my name is James Puada, and I would like to present our brief screenshot of our prototype. We have here a login page for the user to can log in our page. Also, if the user don't have a account, we have here a registration for account. We have a registration page. Also, in our prototype, if you have an account and you already log in, we have a home page, about page, and also about the pools and the pages. We have a testimonial of our testimonials about our clients. Also, we have a contact us, and here this is our prototype in Figma. We have a login page. Like what I said earlier, if the user don't have a account, we can click the sign up and we will go to the registration page. Also, if you have already registered, when you click the register button, we will go back to the login page, and when you click the login page, we will go to our web home page. And also, when you click the about page, the about button, you will go to the about us. In about us, we have a content of our mission and vision and what the Sisidan offer. Also the pools. We have a sample pools here, which is the luxurious pool villa, and also the pages, the testimonial of our client, the contact us. You can see this the contacts, the number of our admins. Also, when you click on the pool and you want to reserve our luxurious pool villa, you will go to our payment dashboard. After you fill out the payment dashboard, submit the payment, you will go to our home page. And also when you click the logout, you will go back to login page. And that's all, and
Thank you, Mr. Puada, and Dangal greetings again. So for our usability testing, revealed key insights into the Sisidan's platform strength and areas for improvement. Also, users highlighted critical pain points such as the lack of real-time availability by 100% and the unclear pricing of 80%. It also emphasizes the needs for transparency and real-time uploads. And essentially, features identified include detailed pool information and customer support functionalities. And based on this feedback, we implemented real-time availability, enhanced interface design, and integrated notifications
for a more seamless user experience, while 60% found functionalities partially sufficient. Confirmed messages were highly appreciated, showcasing the importance of building user trust. In summary, CCDAN's user-centered improvement directly addressed pain points, making the platform more initiative, reliable, and efficient for pool reservation. That should be all.
Thank you for introduction, Mr. Jordan. And greetings. My name is Paulo Romero, and I'll be talking about the discussion. The usability testing aims to assess how well the system meets user needs and improves the reservation experience. While action confirmation were well received, 100% positive, issues like poor navigation, 40% satisfaction, and lack of real-time information, critical for 100% of users, highlight key areas for improvement. For the challenges and resolutions, one would be system downtime. 60% face task completion issues due to stability problems. The resolution will be improved back-end stability and error handling. 2. Transparency issues. 80% cited unclear costs and policies. The resolution updated pool listings with detailed information and reviews. 3. Navigation frustrations. Many struggles with a confusing interface. The solution: simplified menus, larger buttons, and clearer layouts. Summary: pain points would be real-time availability, transparency, and reliability. Improvements: added real-time updates, detailed pool info, better stability, and notifications. Key insights: real-time feedback and intuitive designs are essentials. Future work: 1. Add loyalty rewards and AI-driven insights. 2. Develop a mobile app for better accessibility. 3. Conduct continuous usability testing. And lastly, integrate smart system for automated updates and maintenance optimization. Lastly, for the conclusion, CCDAN advances pool reservations management by merging user-friendly designs and robust functionality, improving both user satisfaction and operational efficiencies. That's all for Team CCDAN.
And once again, we are Team CCDAN, and that should be all. Thank you.